Next video. In today's video I will show you how to pick videos with and without permission in React Native's new architecture without using any third-party library. This video is only specific for Android. Now I have already made a video on how to pick videos from Photos app or your file explorer previously, both for Android and iOS in React Native's new architecture, but this video is specifically for Android because there are two ways of picking videos in Android, with and without permission. So I wanted to show that to you guys, and also we will be playing that video in Exoplayer or Media 3 or Video Player, whatever you call it. So I will just show you guys a demo of it. So first I will click on a button, I will pick a video, no permission involved, and I am playing it inside Exoplayer. Second button clicked, we will ask for permission, pick a video, new video, and play it inside Video Player. So yeah, that's it. That was the simple demo. Now first create a React Native application as usual. Then you will have to enable the new architecture. So to enable the new architecture, what you can do for Android is just search for new arc enabled. It should be present inside Gradle.properties inside Android, Gradle.properties, and you just have to make it as true. That's it. Next, you have to create this RTN MyPicker folder. Inside that, create package.json. So this is a turbo module, and I have just copied everything from the documentation. So only thing changes this RTN MyPicker, this name RTN MyPicker pod spec file, this name RTN MyPicker spec, and this Java package name RTN MyPicker. Next, I have created a pod spec file over here. Again, copied everything from docs, and only this name has been changed. Next, I have created a JS folder. Inside that, native mypicker.ts, again copied from docs, only the method has been changed, like pick video without permission and pick video with permission, and this name has been changed, RTN MyPicker. Next, inside Android, I have created this build.gradle file. Again, this has been copied from docs, and only thing changed is this apply plugin Kotlin Android, as well as Kotlin standard lib of 1.8.20, and this namespace has been changed. Everything else is copied from docs. Next, I have created src main java com RTN MyPicker. First, I have created mypicker package.kt. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed, like mypicker package, mypicker module, and mypicker module over here and over here. Next, I have created mypicker module.kt for without permission. So here comes a little bit of hack. So the way turbo modules are structured right now, like we can't write it inside the main Android folder. We can, but there is no documentation for it, so I'm not aware about it. Currently the documentation says to create a separate npm module. That's why here I am requesting for internet permission so that I can get a callback on the main activity itself. That's why I'm using this hack. Again, I know that we don't require internet permission, or we don't need to explicitly ask for it, but this is kind of an hack. And for the second thing is, while requesting permission for video picking, these permissions are correct. So we require the read media video as well as read external storage. And here, as you can see, I have overridden the two methods, and this first one is for requesting internet permission for the first button, and this is for the second button. Again, we don't require the internet permission. This was only a hack till React Native come out with a new documentation on showing us how to implement turbo module directly inside the main Android folder. Next, I have defined our name as well. So that is for RTN MyPicker. Next, you have to define RTN MyVideo. Here again I have defined a package.json file. So this is a fabric component. Again, I have copy pasted everything from docs. Only this name has been changed. This name has been changed. This has been changed. Everything else remains the same. Next, I have created a pod spec file. Again, everything is copied from docs, and only this name has been changed. Next, I have created a JS folder, and inside that I have created a TypeScript file. Here again, everything is copied from docs. We will be only sending a video URL from, so we will get a video URL from Video Picker, which we will send from native side to React Native side, and then we will send it from React Native back to the native side for our video view, for my video. Okay, and this name has been changed. Next, I have created an Android folder. Inside that, build.gradle file. Again, everything is copied from docs. Only this apply plugin Kotlin Android has been added. Namespace has been changed, and I have added this Kotlin standard lib, as well as we require these two dependency for showing the Exoplayer Media 3 view. Next, I have created an SRC inside that main Java com RTN my video, and here I have defined our myvideo.kt. And firstly, we have defined our exoplayer view, so as well as our player view. Then I have taken so our base class is linear layout, so I'm first setting the layout params for it. Then I am initializing our player view as well as setting our layout params and adding it to our linear layout. Then this is the code for setting up our player, so you just need to pass the URL and the exoplayer will take care of the rest. This is for hiding the system UI, so this is the code for it. And on pause we need to release the player, on destroy we need to release the player, and this is the code for releasing the player. Next, I have defined my video manager.kt. Again, this has been copied from docs, only this name has been changed, this name, and this name has been changed, this has been changed. And the important thing to notice is make sure you pass whatever your prop name is, and here we are setting up our player once we get the prop. And here I have defined our my video package.kt. Again, this has been copied from docs and this name has been changed, everything else remains the same. So next what you have to do is go to the main Android folder, go to build.gradle, first add this Kotlin version over here, as well as you will have to add this class path as well. Next, go to app, build.gradle, and firstly you will have to add this implementation Kotlin standard lib as well as activity Kotlin extension as well, because we need to use the register for activity result. Next, you will get you need to also use apply plugin Kotlin Android. Next, go to src main android manifest.xml, and here you will have to ask for internet permission as well as read media video as well as read external storage permission. Next, inside Java, you first have to convert this main activity.java to main activity.kt file, so you can make use of Android Studio for this. And next, what you have to do, so as you can recall, we were asking for permission inside our turbo module, so we will get a callback over here inside on request permission result. So this one is for the launch video without permission, and this one is for launch video with permission. So for launch video without permission, so here I am just checking whether all permissions has been granted or not, and this is the same what we have defined it on the turbo module side. And here this is the code for launching the video picker without any permission. So here you will get the URI which I am sending it back to React Native side, and this is the code for launching picker with permission. So this is the code, and here you will get the URI, and I'm sending it back to React Native side. And yeah, I think that should be it. Hopefully you have added this permission as well. Now before running, what you have to do is open your terminal, go to the root of your React Native project, first run this yarn add rtn my video, then run this yarn add rtn my picker, then you will have to do cd dot, it will move you outside your React Native project. Then you have to run this command, but make sure, so mine project name is rnapp, that's why I have written rnapp over here as well as over here. So change whatever your project name is, similarly over here as well run this command, but make sure you change your project name as well as folder name in case you have written a different folder name. Then you have to do cd android and then run this command, so this will do code generation for us. Okay, so once that is done, you can just import your two dependency, rtn my picker and rtn my video, and I have created two buttons for it. So on first button we are calling pick video without permission, and for the second video we are calling pick video with permission, and I have added a device event emitter and I'm listening for it. So here you will get the URI, actual URI, and I'm setting it inside our video URI variable state, and this is for displaying our video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.